Before you go into Forex, you must know three things. These three things are: one, you must know how to operate the system, that is how you can trade, and secondly, you must know how to choose the best broker, and the third one is how you can choose the right platform by which you can trade with. All this we're going to talk about in this video. To another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually go into Forex trading. As a beginner in Forex trading, there are certain things you have to know, which I'm going to be analyzing to you right away. The first thing is how you can understand the system of trading. There are a lot of process and procedures that involve if you want to go into trading, which we're going to be discussing in details. And secondly, how you can actually choose the best broker that you can actually entrust your fund with. And the last one is actually how you can choose the right platform you can trade in. Now, the first thing you have to know is understanding the system, like you understanding how the trading system is. Forex trading is actually one of the most complicated and widely involved trading institutes that goes along with foreign exchange. It actually involves both the bulls and the bears in the market, whereby the bulls are actually the buyers of the market, while the bears are actually the sellers in the market. These two people tend to compete for domination in the market. I hope you're getting it right. I can actually see in my chart right here, anytime you see a red candlestick around, you have to know that this is actually the bears, and whenever you see the greens, this is actually bulls in the market. So it is now left for those of us that want to go into the trade to actually decide when we can actually align with any of those two market dominant, which are the bulls and the bears. I hope you are trying to understand what I'm trying to say right now. In the trading sector, there are certain things you have to know if you want to be a profitable trader. Firstly, you must be able to understand the candlesticks. Candlestick is actually an indication that signifies how the trading actually goes in the market. For example, when we actually choose a candlestick this way, the candlestick tends to indicate when to buy, which you can actually see right here, and it also indicates when the sellers are actually coming into the market. Now, when you actually look at this particular diagram, you could actually see that right here the sellers tends to enter into the market to bring the market down to this extent, right? So also the sellers tends to lose their momentum right here, while giving the chance to the buyers to actually come around and take the market up right here. So that means whenever the trade is actually coming down, that indicates that the sellers have actually come into the market, and whenever the trade is actually going up, that actually indicates that the buyers has actually comes into the market. I hope you're getting it right. Now, there are also different indications that actually shows the state and status of the market. That is the reason when you come over right here, you actually see this one which you call the bars. This actually indicates the status and the momentum in the market. It actually shows that, okay, right here the bars are actually showing that the market is going up, and right here the market is actually coming down right here. And also another thing is also we have the halo candles, which actually signifies something like this. I hope you're getting it right. We also have the columns, which actually indicate the market momentum in this form. I hope you're getting it right. Now we also have the lines. The lines tend to indicate the sequential movement of the market. I hope you can actually see the way it's going through right now. The next one again is actually the areas. This one actually goes along with this way, and a lot of more. But the one that is actually used in the marketing sector is actually the candles, because it tends to portray the information that is going into the market so vividly. I hope you're getting it right. So all those things we are going to be discussing in our subsequent videos on how you can be able to master the candlesticks. What are the candlesticks speaking? When you see a doji, what does it mean? When you see an engulfing candlestick, what they mean? When you see a hangman, what does it mean? When you see a harami, what does it mean? And a lot of things. And I must let you know this, that candlestick tends to communicate the status of the market before we enter the trade. I hope you are getting it now. The next thing you should be able to also know if you want to become a successful trader is that you must understand the market structure. When we talk about the market structure, we mean how is the market going. For example, now when you look at this particular trading right here, you could discover that the market is actually trending down. That is, it's actually in a downtrend. Let's change our time to around like 4-hour time frame to confirm whether it is still an uptrend or not. Let's try to adjust it this way. Now in the 4 hours time frame, it actually shows that the market is actually going in the uptrend, and right here it is actually downtrend. So before you go into a trade as a trader, you must be able to know this structure of the market. Is it the market going up or is it actually going down? All those things I'm going to be explaining so much in our subsequent videos. So this video is actually an introduction for you to know what you should be able to know as a trader before you go into forex trading. And the next thing we're going to be talking about is time frame. When we talk about time frame indicates the time by which the market tends to align with. There are a lot of people that you can actually go into a 1 hour time frame to see how the market is. The time frame in summary tends to just tell us at what time is the market actually ranging up to. Is it actually in a 1 hour structure? In a 2 hour structure, how does the market looks like? In 1 day structure, how does the market look like? All those things are what we're going to be emphasizing on our subsequent videos. I hope you're getting it right. So the first thing, as I've rightly said, is that you must be able to understand how the trading really works. The next thing you have to know is choosing the right broker you can actually entrust your fund with. As a trader, you cannot just enter into the market. You need an intermediary, someone you can entrust with your fund that will help you to use that your fund to trade. I hope you're getting it now. That third party between you and the market are called the brokers, and there are some brokers that they are not registered, and if they are not properly registered, your money may not be saved with them. I'm going to be showing you the 3 brokers I've actually used, and they've actually given me an optimum productivity. The first broker is IC Market. IC Market is one of the best broker in the world that has been in operation for a long period of time. They've actually executed a lot of trades and they've gained the trust of their traders, and also it's actually a registered broker that tends to give 100% security to your fund. That means your fund is actually saved with them. The second broker I would really recommend for you if you want to go into trading is Exness. Exness is one of the best brokers in the world. They tend to also deliver the best trading services. They have a low spread and also a very quick transaction process. Your money is actually very safe with this particular broker as well. The next broker I could actually recommend for you if you want to go into trading is XM Broker. This is actually a broker that have also performed a credible workflow for a long period of time. They have a low spread as well, and they have a very fast transaction opportunity, and you can always make use of them in MT4 and MT5 platform. These brokers are very good. If you really want to choose any of those brokers, they are very good and satisfied, which I could totally recommend for you. I've used them for a long period of time, and you can also use them if you really want without any disappointment. Finally, the last agenda on this particular video is how you can choose the best platform where you can trade on. When you talk about platform, this is actually a place where you can actually connect your brokers through, and from there you will be able to analyze the market and take decisions on the marketplace. As this video is concerned, I'm going to be giving you the 2 well structured and well recommended platform which I've been using for a long period of time, and they have been giving me the best of. The first platform is the TradingView. TradingView is one of the best and widely used platform where people use to trade forex. They use it to trade crypto, they could use it to trade binary, stocks and the like. So when you come over right here, you could actually see what you can actually use TradingView for. You can actually trade your forex right here, your futures, which is on the Binance, those of us that trade futures, and also stocks. We also have crypto, index, bond and economy. You can actually use this to analyze your particular trade. So this is actually one of the best platforms that you can actually check out to actually use if you want to become a profitable trader. And also the next one is MT4 or MT5 is one of the widely used platforms. Traders use this platform to analyze their trade before they go into the trade. So all those things you should be able to know as a trader. I believe this video is useful, and if you think you learned one or two or you gain any values in this video, do ensure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe into this channel, turn on the notification bell so you miss any of our videos. If you have any question, do ensure you drop this question on comment section so I could attend to it and answer as soon as possible. I'll see you again in another video, and bye for now.